How do you take a design that you have in AutoCAD and convert it to SVG for use in the Glowforge or some other laser cutter? Let me show you. Alright, so here's my design that I want to convert to SVG. First we're going to publish this to PDF. So I'm just going to go to Plot, and I'll go DWG to PDF. I'll choose my window of what I want to plot. And here's the most important part right here. Make sure fit to paper is not checked. It's going to screw up your scale. For our scale, let's choose 1:1 so it comes in accurately. Now let's hit OK. I'll just save this as gear. And there's our PDF. This probably works with Illustrator, but I haven't tried it. I'm using Inkscape. It's a free download. Just go to File, Import. Here's that gear PDF that we want to use. Hit Open. And now just uncheck these two boxes right here. My screen recorder is weird for whatever reason. It's not letting me uncheck this box, so let me fix that. Right, so now I got both boxes unchecked, so let's hit OK. Alright, so here's our design. And now all we're going to do is just save. I'll just save it to my desktop here. I'll just save it as gear, and I always like to do plain SVG. So now it's an SVG. Alright, so now we're in the Glowforge app. Let's add our artwork. There's our gear. Sometimes I get this little error that says a clip path has been changed to a path, but it works just fine. Nothing with the artwork gets messed up. And there we go. Let's go ahead and get this cut out. I got a Baltic birch preset. Let's print it.